Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 到. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 到的凹的凹 together. 到 and first tone. 到 Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。横撇折点横竖提竖竖钩到 have a lot of meanings. Today we learn 3 of them. First one, arrive. It's a basic meaning, arrive. I'm arrived. 我到了。I arrived at home. 我到家了。The second meaning is up to. We always use from A to B. We say 从 A 到 B. From school to home. 从学校到家。Also, we can use up to. Only use 到. For example, up to now. 到现在。到现在。And the third one is about a grammar word, verb 加到。It means the action have the result. For example, we see this one is look for. Look for. 找 look for. Only means look for. But if you want to say find something, we say 找到找 plus 到 means 找 this action have a result. So we say 找到 means find. Same as another one, we say this one we learned before. 看 watch or look. This action, but you don't know. Did I look something? Can I get a result? But if we want to say see, so it means I see something. So this action have a result. We say 看到 So if a verb plus a 到 means this action got a result. Okay, that's all. Can you tell me up to now how many Chinese words you have learned? 你可以告诉我到现在你学了多少个中文词了吗？ Comment below and tell me. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.